Menteri Katanat Forest but Environment jaga Sorkar Jala James K Sangma ungej bada kelinti ke badai bada kecepatnya jaga Sorkar Jala Kiba Jaboh ha ke Jala ke sayo biang ya kedur ke bathamai. Ujiam suluong badan kam menwanra de kerukam ke bathamai bat ke batrai kam kenang bakiwa kinla ban im bat Pynkhuid biang. Kalong ke kam ke be ulong hindre dan kam ke jinga trading kat lang jeki pait ba ha ke jing penya jong ke Sorkar.
River rejuvenation is a very important focus area for us as a government. In fact, Chief Minister is very concerned about whatever you've mentioned, and for us also as a forest department, that we would like, in the future that this is not just for us but for our future generations, that we put in a system and this system works and our rivers can breathe again and live again, so to say. And it's not easy, as you rightly said. There are a lot of legal hassles and wrangles to it, a lot of opposition from certain sections, and the solution is one where we need to bring in community participation, and how we as a government can facilitate that participation. And we're looking at now new interventions in terms of river rejuvenation. We are working on it right now, and I wouldn't like to start counting my chickens before they hatch, but again, we are very optimistic that with the passage of time, with our interventions, with government playing a facilitatory role towards this aim and object, that we will be able to do something.
Hakabe day but Kiba Jaboh air James Lay thu baladap anshong a review meeting but Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board but Kaneka board kadang kami but tray kat bala halor kani.
I did take a review of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board just 2 days back, and yes, the Pollution Control Board is working to the best of its ability despite the kind of handicaps that they may be having in terms of manpower, in terms of financial constraints. But I think that there are many ways and means by which we need to step up and ramp up our efforts.
Ulay thuru baka Central Zoo Authority kala ajing bit na kabenta ka Zoo Hariboy District barka kam ka sasadang no shen bala kamilanti bon pendep yakani house name arhaja apuar.
The forest department has gone ahead, and at least the first phase of the zoo, the tender was floated and the work has been allotted, and the work is shortly going to start. This is the first phase, and this has been lying pending for quite some time, about 7-8 years now, because the drawings have to be, the plans have to be duly approved by the Central Zoo Authority. So that took some time, but we got the necessary permissions from the CZA.